The future of gaming is now. Introducing the all-new PS5 Pro, now available for pre-order. Get powerful gaming technology in a sleek and compact design built for next-gen performance. Slim, sleek, powerful. With 1 terabyte of lightning-fast SSD storage, you'll always have your favorite games ready to go. Enjoy ultra-high-speed load times, stunning ray-traced graphics, and lifelike HDR color, all on your 4K display. Play smoother than ever at up to 120 frames per second for the most fluid gaming experience yet. Get fully immersed with 3-dimensional audio, haptic feedback, and adaptive triggers that bring every moment to life. Play your favorite PlayStation 4 titles, now enhanced with Game Boost for faster, smoother performance. The PlayStation 5 Pro comes with the console, DualSense controller, 1 terabyte SSD, and more, including Astro's Playroom, pre-installed and ready to play. Reserve yours today for just 20,000 pesos. Once it arrives in Manila, your order ships based on your pre-order slot. Pay the remaining balance after. Stock is limited. Don't wait. Click the image URL link below the description for more info and to lock in your PlayStation 5 Pro pre-order now.